In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle your Binance US taxes with ease and clarity. Understanding the complexities of cryptocurrency taxation can be daunting, but with the right approach and tools, you can navigate the process effectively. Let's break it down so you can tackle your tax reporting with confidence. First, let's talk about taxable events, which are key in understanding your tax obligations. The IRS treats cryptocurrency as property, meaning various actions with your crypto might be considered taxable. One of the most common taxable events is selling your cryptocurrency for fiat, like US dollars. Anytime you convert one cryptocurrency to another, for example, swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum, that's considered taxable too. Additionally, if you receive cryptocurrency as income, say through staking rewards, that's another taxable event. Using crypto to purchase goods or services counts as well. Airdrops and gifting crypto above annual exclusion limits are also treated as taxable events. However, it's important to note that merely transferring cryptocurrency between wallets you own is not considered a taxable event. Keeping these distinctions in mind is crucial as you prepare your tax information. Next, let's delve into tax forms. If you earn $600 or more from staking or referral rewards, Binance US will issue you Form 1099 MISC. This form is essential and needs to be included when you are preparing your taxes, so ensure you have it handy. Now, let's move on to accessing your transaction history, which is a critical step in ensuring accuracy in your tax reporting. Begin by logging into your Binance US account. Once there, navigate to the Tax Statements portal. Downloading your transaction history or generating a tax report is straightforward from this section. This detailed record will serve as the foundation for calculating your gains and losses, so make sure it's comprehensive and up to date. The next phase involves streamlining your tax reporting, which can significantly simplify the entire process. To do this, generate a tax API key within your Binance US account settings. This key is a useful tool that allows integration with various tax software solutions. Platforms like CoinTracker, CoinLedger, and CryptoTax Calculator are some excellent options in this space. By integrating the API key with these platforms, they can automatically import your transaction data. This automated process not only saves time, but is also conducive to accurately calculating your tax obligations without manual entry errors. By following these steps, you'll find that handling your Binance US taxes doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a clear understanding of taxable events and by utilizing the right tools, you can streamline the process and ensure that your tax reporting is both precise and compliant with IRS regulations. I hope this guide proves helpful as you prepare for tax season. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this.